Need to use GoHenry at an ATM? Here's what to know in 60 seconds. Quick example, withdrawing $40. Insert the GoHenry card, enter your PIN, choose withdraw, select $40, and confirm. Watch for an ATM usage fee on the screen. Fees depend on the ATM owner and the country. Some ATMs add a usage fee, and there may be currency conversion charges. GoHenry itself may apply fees depending on your plan. Check the app for exact rates tied to your account. Limits vary by account and parental controls. You may have per transaction, daily, and weekly withdrawal limits set in the app. To avoid surprises, check your balance before you go and withdraw larger amounts less often to reduce fees. Security matters. Cover the keypad, never share your PIN, and keep receipts until the transaction posts. If an ATM prompts dynamic currency conversion, always choose to be charged in the local currency to avoid extra costs. If an ATM keeps your card or shows an unexpected charge, freeze the card in the GoHenry app and contact support immediately. How to view limits. Open the GoHenry app, tap Card Controls, then ATM and withdrawal limits to review or adjust settings. Recap. Check the app for fees and limits. Use in-network ATMs when possible, and follow simple safety steps. Done. For full details, open the GoHenry Help Center in the app or visit the support site. Safe banking.